He died days COVID-19 of. He came home yesterday. এই বাক্যের প্রশ্নবোধক রূপ হচ্ছে Did he come home yesterday? She was singing a song. এর প্যাসিভ ভয়েস হলো A song was being sung by her. The train dashed before Joshim reached the station. Had left. The train had left. Alam always tells the truth. Speak. Alam always speak the truth. I am looking forward to dash a reply from you. Receiving a reply from you. Monisha did the job without having dash interest in it. Little interest. Life is dash short to worry about. Too short. Too. He assigned the task dash me. Too. He comes dash a noble family. Of. These things differs dash than. From. I am looking dash matter. Into matter. Into. I wonder dash his ignorance. At. Everyone should abstain dash smoking. From. The girl is expert dash drawing. In. I beg mercy dash the principal. Of. Bruna is dash tallest girl in the class. The. He could not success dash working hard. Despite working hard. He was born dash a rich family. In. Every mother has fondness dash her children. 2. Mehdi excel dash speaking English. In. Idleness is an impediment dash success in life. 2. Let us hope dash the best. For. I could guess little dash what he said. About. He abstained dash smoking. He abstained dash smoking. From. আমার একটি কম্পিউটার আছে এর ইংরেজি কি? I have a computer. আমি গতকাল স্কুলে গিয়েছিলাম। I went to school yesterday. খেলা শেষ এর ইংরেজি কি? The game is over. সে সাঁতার জানে না। He does not know how to swim. সে চুরি করতে ধরা খেল। চুরি করতে ধরা খেল। He got caught stealing. আমাদের অন্যান্য প্রস্তুতিমূলক ভিডিওগুলো দেখতে এই বাম দিকের উপরের কর্নারে ক্লিক করে অন্যান্য চাকরির প্রস্তুতির ভিডিওগুলো দেখে নিতে পারেন। He is 60 but does not look it. তাকে দেখতে 60 বছরের মনেই হয় না। He picked a quarrel with me for nothing. সে আমার সাথে বিনা কারণে ঝগড়া বাঁধাল। The harder you work, the better you will the result. আপনি যত কঠোর পরিশ্রম করবেন তত ভালো ফল পাবেন। Can you do the work? তুমি কি কাজটি করতে পারো? The river is full to the brim. নদীটি কানায় কানায় পরিপূর্ণ। ড্যাশ প্যারাডাইস লস্ট ইজ অ্যান epic. The he abstained dash smoking from. I watched the film dash TV on TV. Cattle dash grazing in the field. Are the memoranda dash signed between two countries. Was his father came yesterday. His father came yesterday. His father came yesterday. One of the boys have done it. One of the boys has done it. The girls are playing in the field. The girls are playing in the field. He write a letter to his father. He writes a letter to his father. It rained since morning. It has been raining since morning. A and are indefinite articles. Industry is dash mother of good luck. The prices are creeping dash again up. I promise I dash smoke again. I won't smoke again. He did not give me much advice. Bag and baggage. তল্পি তল্পা সহ। Marzia left the home bag and baggage. In the long run, শেষ পর্যন্ত। I am sure it's the best solution in the long run. High and low, সর্বত্র। I have been hunting high and low for that to pen. In the midst of মাঝখানে বা কেন্দ্রে। Could he walk out in the midst of his space? Midst of his place. Life and soul, আশাবাদী. There are many life and soul people in our society. Stand dash the line to understand it. Read dash the line. Between. Honey is dash sweet. Very. Which one is an abstract noun? Humility. Backup means support. Which one is singular number? Criterion. Time and tide dash for none. Wait. He has been ill dashed by the last. Since. He is dash MA. And the poor are deprived dash their rights of. All at once means suddenly. Everyone should dash the truth. Speak. The word productivity is an noun. I am indebted dash you for your help too. If I were you, I dash to the picnic with my friends. Would go. The girls take dash her mother. After. We walked dash the end of the road. On. We reached the station dash the train had left. After. The book is dash one I was looking for. The past participle form of swear. Sworn. Our teacher made us dash very hard. Work. কিছু করার আগে ভালো করে ভেবে নাও। এর ইংরেজি কি? Think carefully before doing anything. তোমাদের গাছে কি অনেক আম আছে? Do you have a lots of mangoes in your trees? তোমাদের, আমাদের না তোমাদের হবে। এখন শরৎকাল। It's autumn. তার এক জোড়া জুতা ছিল। She had a pair of beautiful shoes. বাবা চাকরি থেকে অবসর নিয়েছেন। Father has retired from the job. সে বইটি আমার কাছে রেখেছে। He has kept the book to me. আমার খুব মাথা ধরেছে। I feel very dizzy. তিনি একটি স্বপ্ন দেখলেন। He dreamed a dream. তুমি কি কখনো চিড়িয়াখানা দেখেছ? Have you ever seen the zoo? আমি বিকেল 4টার মধ্যে কাজটি শেষ করে ফেলব। I will have finished the work by 4 p.m. Is he not a good fool? Assertive. He is a great fool. Grateful. He is the best boy in the class. Negative. No other boy in the class is as good as he. I know her name. Complex. I know what her name is. I want a car that I can drive. I want to drive a car. Going to the garden, Bulbul saw a red rose compound. Bulbul went to the garden and saw a red rose. Simple. By and by, she grew. She will learn quickly by and by. At a loss, Hatobambo. He was at a loss for words. Come to light, Prokashito Hawa. New evidence has recently come to light. Gala Day, Utshaber Din. Victory Day is a gala day for the country. Nipped in the boot, Okure Binoshto Hawa. A bad habit in a child should be nipped in the boot. Tooth and nail, Pranpone. He fought tooth and nail against his enemy. Crocodile tears, Mayakanna. He shed crocodile tears at our misery. In the long run, Dirgo Goganti. You will have to suffer in the long run. Through and through, Sarbotra. I know him through and through. Kith and kin, Atya Sodhan. They lived there with kith and kin. বিভিন্ন চাকরি পরীক্ষা আগত প্রশ্নের আলোকে প্রশ্ন বিশ্লেষণ করে এই ভিডিওটি তৈরি করা হয়েছে। আশা করছি এই ভিডিওটি আপনাদের অনেক উপকারে আসবে। এই ভিডিওটি এতক্ষণ দেখার জন্য সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। যারা এখনো চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেনি অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবেন। সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।